This will be the elevator here at the Baymont Inn and Suites by Wyndham here in Lawrence, Indiana. Guess what? Right here is the ThyssenKrupp. Interesting. Sounds wonderful. Lobby. Gosh, this thing is a loose panel. Not surprised. Literally slow as elevator. Look at those buttons. Love this thing. I mean, well, it's a nice elevator. Just come on. Not the greatest elevator in the world. You know what? I think these used to have traditional. They replaced all the buttons for the war. This is gonna go with a slow going down. Capacity 2,500. Used to have traditional, now it's war. Okay. Just a cheap hotel with these really cheap buttons. I noticed how it flickered. Really weird to put a call button on the side. There goes the elevator. Check out the slow indicator. Yeah, that's the elevator. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.